What up guys, I'm on my way to, the cult.
So this is me, I'm Dennis. This is my first YouTube video, so as you can see I am camera shy. But I think I am going to be better soon. Well, I think.
What up guys, today I'm gonna find something to, renovate it with. So look, I have a garage that I want to renovate, so I just got to so-called Home Depot here in Denmark, so I need some filler for the walls. So let's go and see what we can find. This is it. We're gonna use this one. So guys, I ready to see my garage. It's just, and this is it. So basically I need to fill those up, as you can see, and the bottom one. So let's get it. Look, I just bought this one. I don't know, this is something new, Mountain Dew Jumpstart. So let's try it. I don't know, have you tried it before? It's okay actually. Approved. So this is the one we need to fill. That one, those. And if we go over there here on the top. So let's just get to work. Here's my problem. I already used half of it, and we still have a lot of to do. So I'm probably gonna end up at buying some more, I think. Still missing this thing up here. So guys, now I'm done. I don't have any more filler left, but here you can see what I accomplished today. Like, I still have a little bit of work to do, but and I have the rest of the bottom wall, but you can see over here it's drying pretty good, so I think it's gonna be good. So my plan is to paint the wall and do 2 colors. The first gonna be the gray one, and the bottom one gonna be some like red, yeah, something like that. I don't know yet. This shelving is pretty hard to move around, so I was actually thinking if I should put these together with the wheels on, and maybe I could like move them, put them on the top, and yeah, move them around, drive them around, or how you say it. Battery died on the other phone, but as you can see, I think it's gonna work actually. See, it's, yeah, I had to, yeah, make some adjustments and make it a little bit wider, because yeah, or else it doesn't gonna fit. But now I'm gonna try to put everything on the shelf here, and yeah, it really works. You can see here, like, it's not the best in the world, but it works. I just don't hope it's gonna break over here. So yeah, now I can actually move it around. Guys, I'm finished for today, and yeah, you can see how much work I did today. So actually it's okay, but yeah, I don't know. I still need to fill the walls, so I'm probably gonna continue tomorrow, I think. So see you tomorrow.